Hey everybody, this is Taylor with ValleyScape. I'm back here in Temecula today. We're in the Morgan Hill area and we're doing something really cool, something I love doing. It's a certain type of landscape light that we like to install in backyards. Check this out. This is what they currently have on this small retaining wall. They have these little solar lights. What we're doing, we're taking them off and we're putting in what's called a deck light. So this will mount like this. And what's really cool about it is it puts out the perfect amount of light to just light up the ground and give you an idea where the wall is. To do this though, and make it look good, we have to drill a hole through the wall back to this side, and then we'll connect to the existing landscape lighting. This is one of our clients we've done work for before. So the cool thing about that is we know where the wire's at, and we're gonna go ahead and reconnect, and we're gonna do 12 of them, 12 on this property. So it's gonna look really, really cool. It's not, they're not going minimal. They're doing just the right amount of practical, cool looking lighting. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished, and we're gonna go from solar junky to nice brass fixtures like that. A little tough part of this, because there was old lights here, I was hoping to reuse these holes that are already here with the anchors. But unfortunately they're kind of all different heights, so it's important with lighting like this for it to be consistent. So I've made some marks. We're gonna keep it all at 28 inches above the ground. That way it's a nice clean look, because the wall is actually not level. It's kind of bumpy, so we don't want to go off the top of the wall. We're gonna go off the ground, so it'll have the same effect all the way down. Okay, I got this wall done. There they are. They're all installed. You can see the most important part is making sure they're spaced out properly from the ground up and then also from each other. So check it out. Man, such a clean and tight install. Here's the deal. We just got finished with this job in Temecula. We're in Morgan Hill area. And I couldn't be happier with the way it turned out. I think this is one of the coolest ways to light up, like downlighting off of a wall. I think it looks so good at night. So let me show you what it looks like. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you what it looks like at night, but each one of these little pucks is brass, and it has a small bulb in there that just shines down and just kind of bathes the concrete in a little bit of light. So that's what it looks like. Just cleaned it all up. Yeah, and we just drilled a hole through the wall right here, connected the fixture to the wall, and then ran the wire up and tied it into the existing fixture. So this comes on with the landscape lighting, and we actually can do this on fence lighting, the vinyl fences. We can do it on wood fences, we can do it on block walls. But when you need some lighting that's practical, this is a really, really good option. So check it out. As you can see, it'll be nice and even. And also, if it gets hit with the basketball, that's not a problem. It will not break. Thanks for watching our videos.